Unlock professional-grade clarity and bring your video projects to life with this ultimate guide on mastering 4K export in Capcut for PC. First things first, import all your high-resolution video clips into Capcut on your PC. The better the quality of your source footage, the better your final 4K output will be. Ensure your clips are already in at least 1080p, but ideally, they are native 4K if possible. Once your project is assembled on the timeline, it's time to focus on the export settings. Navigate to the export button, usually located in the top right corner of your Capcut window. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a resolution drop-down menu. Click on it and select 4K. For truly stunning 4K, choose the highest resolution option, which is typically 3840 by 2160 pixels. This ensures you're capturing the maximum detail your footage allows. Next, set your frame rate for standard video. 30 frames per second is common. However, if you've shot in 60 frames per second for smoother motion, make sure to match that here. Consistency is key. Now let's talk about bitrate for 4K. A higher bitrate delivers a better quality image with more detail and less compression. We recommend setting this to 60 Mbps or higher for excellent results. You can adjust this upwards if you have ample storage space and want the absolute best quality. Finally, select your file format. MP4 is universally compatible and a great choice for sharing your 4K videos. Ensure it's selected, and then you're ready to go. With your settings dialed in for 4K, hit that export button. Capcut will now process your video, rendering it in that incredible, crystal-clear resolution. This might take a little longer than your usual exports, so be patient. And there you have it. Your video rendered in stunning 4K quality. Share your masterpieces with the world and let them experience every detail.